ready to go?
Let's do this. Nuts, bro.
You planning on doing any entry road right here, jumping it in
At the end, yes.
at the end, so we break it at the end?
Yeah.
Okay. No, Frosty in.
Let's go.
That's on you.
Oh,
Ice cream cone definitely not
these
making that one.
three.
What's up, guys? I'm Shannon from Hobby Shop, and in today's video, we're taking the Firebird onto the Freedom Factory. These guys have spent ages building it, and now we're gonna spend seconds just destroying
Breaking it. All right, we're gonna do a little talk about Schaefchen's car right now, and the progression, the beginning, the end, where we're at now. Thank you, Seth. Of course, we got to say thank you to you.
I'm Steve-O. Welcome to Jackass.
So, got a call from Daniel Lima, a brother of mine. Told me I got a buddy, says he wants to build an American type car. So, because of Danny, this all came about.
Thanks, Danny.
Yes. So after seeing a video of him and Gabe trying to pull the motor out with a tree, we definitely had to lend a hand.
Yeah, it was not working without helping hands for sure.
Yeah. So car came to us, no motor, LS sitting in it, 6-speed bolted to it. Yes.
Not even that.
No, it was just hanging.
Yeah, it was just hanging.
It was just hanging.
Yeah.
The whole idea behind this car is it had to be marketplace, Facebook, offer up kind of parts, unless it was sponsored or we found a little help somewhere along the line. So 6.0 T56. We did headers, an exhaust. Gabe came over. We did the exhaust with Gabe. And then this whole idea about possibly using a BMW subframe came about. Well, somehow we had a C6 Corvette sitting in the back of the shop. And we took some measurements. And then we let that guy do his thing. So now we're gonna let Matt explain what he did to the Firebird on the underside, and then we're gonna let Schaefchen take it and see what he can do.
So we started with factory frame rails. We grafted in the C6 crossmember, used the C6 rack crossmember brakes, everything. And all the pickup points are exactly like C6 factory dimensions. I mean, it is absolutely perfect C6. The car doesn't know the difference.
Yeah.
Which is really cool, and it actually worked out great. The engine's really low and far back. Center of gravity super low. Geometry is obviously already figured out, proven a long time ago.
We also had Zach Nova hook us up with their one-off. It was a prototype setup FDF kit, and then our buddies at Drift HQ sent us the, or actually gave us a contact for. Oh god damn it! What's the shock sense?
The BC.
BCs.
Yeah. BC.
For the front, we ended up having
QA1s, I think. Over in the room.
Yeah, but what did we have? The cow tracks we had.
Oh yeah.
So there's so many parts on this car that were basically just thrown together because we had so many lying around, and I think that was the big idea behind it was anything that we could find.
Yeah, the rear end's not super fancy. It's a factory rear end with a mini spool and
150 shot.
Oh
yeah.
We also
it's got nitrous now.
Yeah. So we still got to put the window switch in. But other than that, Matt whipped up a phenomenal cage and lightning speed. Something quick and easy we can add to. If not, we haven't painted it yet because we're probably going to add to it, depending on if he rolls it over today when he does that jump.
See how much stiffness it's added back.
Yeah. Think so. It doesn't break the front end off.
Yeah.
Option came through them on some seats, which actually looked amazing for this car. He went ahead and picked up this fender kit for this car, which gives it a more aggressive stance, and then we went with our traditional welds that we like on pretty much everything. So other than that, I mean, I think it's time for him to just let it eat and see if it breaks.
See how it acts. Yeah.
I mean, you going for a ride?
Sure.
Yeah.
I'll go ride anything.
I'm not going for a ride with him. I've seen his videos.
Shall I let him do a solo run first?
Yep.
Definitely not. Definitely not. Just jump right in.
See how this goes. Huh?
So other than that, this was an amazing opportunity. It was so much fun. We're going to have so many more builds to come with Otto. It's really cool being, I guess you could say, his American shop.
Connection. Yeah.
You know, his guys, Gabe, his whole team, his girl, everybody's the coolest. he's just an all-around awesome guy. We're super happy that Danny made that call to make this happen. So
Yeah, he's seriously the nicest guy. Been a pleasure to work with.
yeah, he's a dick.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
So put your helmet on.
Sure.
Be careful.
I will.
And Matt's gonna go with you on the first run.
You have a helmet?
I'll grab one out of the trailer.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's see.
You ready to go?
Let's do this.
Let it eat. Jesus Christ. First there it goes. Yeah! Level it up. Yo. Hey, in person? You nuts, bro. No warm up. Just send it. Dude, you're shot. You're shot. Yo, the first turn, I'm like, he's going in the wall.
Right away, we're just ripping.
Dog, I'm like, holy shit.
Like, that man can drive.
No.
Oh, that was so sick.
The car was perfect. He had it the whole time. Like, it was perfect.
Matthew,
So sick.
watching it from here, all I can think about is your dad screaming to get out. The whole time. Get out of your car! Yo, that was epic, dude.
Dude, that was good. That was so good.
Thank God I didn't go.
None of us were going to hop in and do that.
No way. No way.
Why do we have so much speed? Like, man, I hope everything's right.
Yeah, me too. I'm like, he's gonna hit the brakes and go right into the wall. I'm like, Gary's gonna kill us.
As soon as we took off, I was like, wow, I wish this cage had more bars in it.
You put the cage in it, so I felt
The
good.
back half's good, but could use some more up front, maybe.
Bro, it floated. Floated. And the whole track, I'm like, what the f? I couldn't believe how it drove.
It felt
Hey,
so good.
yo, not for nothing. This guy made this kit, and it will be available online very soon. Because now you see what it can do.
Yeah, it's
Matthew.
good. It's good.
Yo,
It's so good.
that was. I felt like pro guy was out there.
Here, you want to go for a ride?
No,
Come on.
I am not going for a ride.
I think you should for what it's worth.
Hell no, I'm not going for a ride. No way. I'm still like, I can't even talk watching that. It was cool. You went into the first turn, I'm like, he's gonna die. And then you stayed in it, I was like, okay. And then you third, I'm like, this is bad.
I've never driven it before on a track like this. It felt just so weird because it got like
Yeah.
It was just kind of pushing the whole time.
yeah, but the inside felt really nice.
Oh, it was coming out of the overflow.
Yeah, and the bell house.
Yeah. At least we know that this thing needs a better trans
Better slave for
and a
sure.
better slave. Homie. I can't. High five.
That was sick.
That was.
I think it would even work. But I tried
You
to,
had it, and I was like,
I tried to clutch kick it.
yeah, I tried to clutch kick and then the clutch was like,
Hit
It's so cool to see. It'll buff out. It's fine.
I just wanted to drift around your broken car. Just wanted to drift around your broken car. Broken car.
What are you suiting up for?
Just to run around the racetrack a little bit.
Okay, all right. First time in a burnout car?
Yes.
First time in one of the giant oil leak.
First time in an ice cream truck.
Hopefully the oil doesn't spray towards him in the white suit.
It sprays at my feet. It's okay.
Where's the helmet? I'm not ready for this.
You excited, bud?
No.
I just wanted to drift around your broken car.
You dork. Go back to the chess club. Who's laughing now?
It's on fire!
Oh.
Oh yeah.
That was.
When you guys tipped in, it was about a 40-foot flame and I'm like this.
What?
When you tipped in, I'm like this.
How is it when I'm
You went
always
to go spin, and right as you went to spin, from here to here was the biggest fire I've ever seen.
Bro, Seth, I love you. And I hope you can get it rebuilt. Everybody go to Seth's Instagram and give him a follow, please, because this guy is the nicest guy I have ever met here in Florida. And just this bullshit keeps happening to him. Support him, follow him, leave a like. Frosty Burnout ice cream truck. I need to get out of this.
That's how you wheel, baby! You wheel till the bitch is on fire!
I didn't see that.
Right in the middle.
Oh, there's a lot of it over here. Here on the wheel well. Down, oh yeah, down here. Here on that side.
Hey, right here up front. No more
up front.
in the middle. On the bottom. Still thumbs up, right? Yeah. Welcome to the club, baby!
Whoa, what the fuck? That was sick though.
That was so sick.
Bank and everything.
Dude, I was jumping so pumped.
All right, boys and girls, you want some merch? We got some merch. Take a look at this TV we got here, and just some of the merch we got available for you on our site at hobbyshopgarage.com. Come get right and don't get left like this TV that's on fire in the middle of goddamn nowhere.